G'day guys, my name's Taz, and this unfortunately is future me reshooting the introduction because I corrupted the audio file. But ultimately, what we're planning on doing today is relocating the Speedo from a handlebar clamp onto a tab that I'm going to weld onto the frame. Guys, there's the finished product right there. The tab that I welded onto the frame. There's my welds. They're not amazing, but they're alright. They do the job. I couldn't really get in there to give it a grind anyway, so that is how it's come off the trigger. That's the Speedo cable, and it's got more than enough slack in it to go lock to lock on the handlebars. When I took the bike for a ride, it's in perfect position. You can see the speed you're doing perfectly without moving your head. You're just looking down rather than to the side. I'm really happy with it. I think it's come out really well. Just helps in that endless process to slim down the handlebars. If you liked the video, please feel welcome to give it the thumbs up. If you could subscribe, that'd be awesome. If you'd like to support the work that I do on the videos, please feel welcome to make a donation through paypal.me/iRideTaz or buymeacoffee.com/iRideTaz. I'd be most appreciative. Guys, till I see you next time, my name's iRideTaz. I'm out.